Switching to a new phone or tablet, Syncios Data Transfer promises seamless data transfer, keeping your contacts, messages, photos, and files intact. In this video, we'll review its features, performance, and overall usability to see if it's the right solution for your mobile data management. Part 1. What is Syncios Data Transfer? Syncios Data Transfer is a cross-platform phone transfer tool designed to move data between iOS and Android devices with ease. It supports transferring WhatsApp, contacts, messages, photos, videos, music, and app data. Part 2. Syncios Data Transfer. Pricing and review ratings. Part 3. Syncios Data Transfer. Safety and availability. Safety. Safe. No cloud uploads. Malware-free. Availability. For Windows or macOS. Supports Android or iOS. Free trial. How to use. Install and launch. Connect phones. Select data. Start transfer. Part 4. FAQs for Syncios Data Transfer. Q1. Can Syncios transfer all data? Yes. But some app or system data may not transfer. Q2. Any settings to enable? Enable USB debugging on Android. Trust the computer on iOS. Q3. Can I back up my phone? Yes. Back up and restore data to or from your computer. Q4. What OS does it support? Windows 10 11th, macOS Monterey Plus. Q5. How long does transfer take? It depends on data size, file types, and device speed. Q6. Devices not recognized? Check the USB cable, enable USB debugging, and trust the computer. Restart if needed. Part 5. Syncios Data Transfer. Pros and cons. The good. Easy to use. Cross-platform Android iOS. Transfers various data. Fast speed. Backup and restore. Free trial. The bad. Paid license needed. Limited free version. Compatibility issues. Occasional stability problems. Part 6. Syncios Data Transfer Best Replacement. For users looking for a reliable option to move data between devices, Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows Mac serves as a strong alternative to Syncios Data Transfer. How to use Mobican Transfer for mobile. Install and launch. Connect both phones. Trust the connection. Set source and destination. Select data and click Start Copy. Click Flip to switch devices.